Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Blue color. The next one is black color. Yellow color. Kids, the next one is green color. Now we use the color of red. First we draw A and now we use the color of blue. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we use the color of black. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. Now we draw E. We again use black color and draw E. Kids, the next one is numbers. Now we use the color of green. The color of green. First we draw the number of 1. And the next one is 2. The number of 2. Kids, the next one is 3. The number of 3. And the next one is 4. And now we draw the number of 5. Now we draw 2D shapes. First we draw the shape of triangle. Now we use the color of red. The next one is circle. The shape of circle. Kids, now we draw the shape of heart. Now we use the color of red. The shape of heart. The next one is a star. We again use the color of blue. The shape of star. The next one is pentagon. Now we use the color of blue and draw the shape of pentagon. And the last one is square. The color of yellow. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching.